Ah, Alekite, there you are. I need you to go check on our specimen for me. He seems to be building something, and as you know, it's against the rules.
You're building something, the Lord of Darkness. That is strictly against our agreement.
I can't easily work without any legs, now can I?
Alright, I'll go tell the boss that you're just building your legs and not anything else. But remember, no more building after the legs.
Yeah,
Whatever.
whatever. They are unstable, but they will work for now. Now, time to execute my plan.
Lord of Darkness? Where are you?
I don't see him anywhere.
Now this should be interesting. Give me your mask. I will control it now. Now, without your mask, you have nothing to protect you.
Boss, he just killed Balta. Ah!
You should make a good leg support. There we go. Where are you, you little brat? You fool! Oh, and just for good measure. It all ends now.
Lord of Darkness, your terror ends here.
They were foolish to only send one Toa.
One's all they need. Prepare to die.
Unlikely.
You can't say. Ugh.
Oh, yes, I can. It's easy. Almost as easy as it will be to finish you off. The more dead bodies I have, the more parts I have.
Lord of Darkness.
Aura, come to die.
No, I have defeated you once, so I can defeat you again.
Should have just killed me the first time.
I realize my mistake, but that doesn't mean I can't kill you now. Annie, you know what to do. Of course, I've done it before. Ah! Annie, no!
How could you?
Annie! Annie! Annie!
Aura!
Sydney, no. Don't go run and fight.
You took everything from me, so now I'm gonna take everything from you.
No! Sydney, wait. There is only one chance to save them now.
What are you talking about? They're all dead.
Here,
What is it?
it's the only way.